Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to PrepFusion. So in this video, we are going to discuss GATE 2027 6 months roadmap. Roughly around 6 months are left. 6 months means roughly around 180 days are left. So day-wise plan, what should be the plan, how I need to proceed in the preparation, whatever the questions that you are having, all the questions I will be answering. Now before starting any roadmap video, I always say one thing, that today 6 months roadmap is coming, then 5 months roadmap will also come, 50 days roadmap will also come. These roadmaps will keep on coming. But if you are watching this video, then this should be your last roadmap video. Okay, it should be your last roadmap video. After that 150 days roadmap video, you should not be watching that, because today if you are watching it, that means you need to get started tomorrow, or even after watching this video only you will get started. Why tomorrow? Today only, after watching this video you will get started. Complete plan, all your queries I will answer, everything I will answer. Stay till the end, and after that get started with your preparation, because roadmaps will not help you to get the marks. Roadmap will help you to give you a direction. Your marks will be obtained by your hard work, right? So let's get started. This will be a plan for EC and electrical. So first we are discussing some general queries. So these questions you would be having. First question, sir, if I start today, I am starting right from zero, sir. I don't know E of engineering. Right from zero, sir, I will be starting. Will I be able to get under 100 or under 200 rank? Answer is no. No sugarcoating, nothing. Straight up answer is no. If you are starting today, you are targeting under 100 rank, under 200 rank, it is not achievable. Then sir, why we are preparing for GATE examination? Under 100, under 200, you will not be able to get. But you can do well in the GATE examination. No, you can secure a good seat in masters. No, who says that you need to get under 100 rank only and or under 200 rank only? If you get roughly around 1000 rank, then you can get a very good seat in masters, and you can do very well in your career, with the condition that you perform well in your masters as well. No matter whatever the rank you get, after getting the rank, you need to perform well in your masters as well. Even if you are AIR 1, you need to study well in the masters. Even if you are AIR 1000, you need to study well in masters. So get a rank around 1000, under 600, under 700. These are the realistic rank that you can target. Roughly around 1000 rank in the worst case we can target, and that would be good enough to secure a good seat in masters. Is that understandable to you? So yes, this is possible. Yes, this is possible. Understandable? So unrealistic target we will not set up. Under 100, under 200, this will create needless pressure and you will be messing up your examination. Forget about 100, you will end up getting 5000 rank. Realistic target we can set up roughly around 1000 rank. Okay, if we are starting right from zero. Now you would say, sir, some of my senior got under 100 rank, sir. He prepared only for 6 months. So IQ level of that particular guy would be very high. No, I am talking about 99% cases. Out of 100 guys, 99 guys would be there who are starting today. They will not be able to get under 100 rank. There might be one guy who may get under 100 rank. Who knows? That guy might be very brilliant, right? So you cannot compare yourself with that guy. You are an average person who is starting the preparation just now, right from zero. Will you be able to get under 100 rank, under 200 rank in the 6 months of time? It is highly unrealistic. Okay, people are preparing from 1 year. They are preparing from 1.5 years. Those guys will be getting under 100 rank. Okay, so those guys are not dumb, no, right? They are also putting up the hard work. So we will target realistically around 1000 rank, which will help us getting a good seat in masters. Now sir, how much hours of effort is required? 6 to 7 hours, or I would put 7 to 8 hours of effort. If you put up the effort of 7 to 8 hours daily consistently, then only you can think of preparing for GATE examination as of now. Otherwise, don't even think. These are the realistic things I am telling. No sugarcoating, no fake motivation, nothing like that. Under 1000 rank, 7 to 8 hours of consistent effort for next 180 days is required. This much effort is required. Then only you can think of achieving a good rank. Okay, the syllabus is vast. You need to cover it. You need to write down the test series as well. You need to solve the PYQs as well. Everything I will tell you how you will proceed. But 7 to 8 hours of effort per day is required. Otherwise, don't even think of preparing for GATE examination. Understandable? Next. Sir, after how many days I can take a break? 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, it is fine to take a break of 1 or 2 days. Okay. After 2 weeks, if you feel like that, sir, today I will not study anything else. I will not study anything at all. I will not even touch the books. It is absolutely fine. But the break should not be very low. It might happen that, sir, for 5 days I was very dedicated. Then, sir, 2 days break I took. Then, sir, on the next day I studied for 2 hours. Then sir, I studied for 4 hours. Then, sir, again I did not study. In that manner, preparation will not go on. You need to have a certain schedule, that today if you are waking up, you should know that this is my day off. today I will not be studying anything. That means yes, this is how you are proceeding. Okay. So whenever you wake up, you need to decide that in this day, what I am going to do. Today I am going to watch these 2 lectures. I am going to solve this PYQ. I am going to revise this particular subject. So everything you should know at the beginning of the day only. Okay. So if you are taking a day off, then you should know that yes, sir, this is my day off. I will not be studying anything. Today I will be just wasting my time here and there. Okay. So this is the meaning of day off. I hope you are able to understand. Next, sir, is it fine to give 2 to 3 hours of your daily routine to your hobbies or going to the gym? Absolutely, it is fine. Yes, absolutely, it is fine. Absolutely, it is fine. Okay, you are having 24 hours, 8 hours of sleep, 2 3 hours in some extra things. Let's just say 12 hours are gone. After that as well, 8 hours of studies. After doing the 8 hours of study, you are left with 4 hours as well. So you want to go to gym, you are having some hobbies, you want to play badminton, play cricket, you want to play guitar, whatever you want to do. This much time, 2 to 3 hours, you can surely give to your hobbies and going to the gym or working out, whatever it is. So it is absolutely fine. You just need to utilize your time in the best possible way such that you are getting 7 to 8 hours of efficient study. That's the efficient study that I am expecting from your end. How you will maintain your routine, that is up to you. You are not a kid that I will give you that plan that from 5 a.m. you will wake up 6 a.m. These things I will not do. Right? You are a grown up engineer. You should know how to utilize your time in the best possible way. Right? Sir, how many hours of sleep is necessary? 7 hours minimum. 7 hours minimum. Does sleep matter? Yes, absolutely it matters. If you are sleeping not enough, then you will not be able to study well. Sir, I want to sleep 8 hours. Absolutely, you should sleep for 8 hours. Sir, I want to sleep for 9 hours. Yes, you should sleep for 9 hours. If you feel like that, sir, 9 hours of sleep will give me enough energy, then sleep for 9 hours. 7 hours minimum, I am saying. Not even 6 hours. Some people would say that, sir, even if I sleep for 5 hours, no, then I will be efficient. You are not efficient. You feel like that you are efficient. I would say minimum 7 hours of sleep you should take. Even if you sleep for 9 hours, no, after that as well, you are having more than enough time. 9 hours if you are sleeping, after that as well, you are having 15 hours of time. Why you are scrolling the reels? Why you are looking at YouTube shorts? Why you are looking here, there? Why you are just sitting idle? All these things, you will waste time in all these things. But you will say that, sir, sleeping will, like sleeping, I will not sleep for 7 to 8 hours, sir. I will waste my time in scrolling reels and all those things. Why you are wasting your time there? Utilize your time in whichever the time that is left. Sleeping for more hours is absolutely fine. 7, 8, 9, 7 hours minimum, I am saying. 7 hours minimum. More than that as well you can do. 8 hours or 9 hours, whatever it is. 8 hours or 9 hours, whatever it is. Taking care of your health is the utmost priority. If you don't take care of your health, then you will not be able to prepare, you will not be able to perform well. So sleep well and eat well. Social media, big no. Okay, big no. Like, sir, what if I scroll reels for 30 minutes, 20 minutes? Is it fine? No. Okay. You will be just looking at, you will be just watching the brain rot reels and it will not give you anything productive. Along with that, your attention span will also go down because reels will be of roughly around 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Within 30 seconds, 40 seconds, that 2 on 2x. You will click on that button. It will make the reel as 2x, right? You will be watching the reel on 2x. So on 2x, you need 30 seconds of dopamine. This is how you cannot prepare for competitive examination. When you prepare for competitive examination, the lecture will be of 3 hours, not of 30 seconds, right? So you need to concentrate for 3 hours at least, no? Because your examination will also be of 3 hours, 3 hours. So at least you should build up the temperament of having the attention span of 3 hours. Like for 3 hours, you need to be concentrated enough, right? So reels and everything, social media, absolute no, big no. Like you want to spend some time, you can listen to some music, whatever you want to do, you can take a walk, you want to pursue your hobby, you can do workout, whatever you want to do, but social media is a big no. Okay. Now, sir, how I will manage these 7 to 8 hours? So try breaking your day in 3 parts. 3 hours, first session, 3 hours, second session, and 2 hours, third session. This could be morning, this could be afternoon, this is night. That's it. Like in a crude way, I can tell 3 hours initially in the morning, you took it. Then you had your lunch, whatever it is. You took some time for your hobbies. You took some rest as well. Then in the evening, you took 3 hours. Then 1 hour of workout. After coming to your home, 2 hours of study again. 8 hours are done. Right? So easily you can get 8 to 9 hours if you are dedicated enough, if you can manage your routine. Is that understandable to you or not? So these are the general queries that you are having that I have answered. Now sir, how to maintain the consistency, sir, how to be distraction free. So for all these kind of things, I have already made a video. So whatever the kind of query you are having, type that particular query. From my side, there is 99% chances are there that that video will be available. Just type your query, then put PrepFusion. Type your query, put PrepFusion. Very high chances are there that the video will be available from my side. Is that understandable to you? Let's get started now. We will discuss the GATE 2027 EC roadmap first. So how we are going to divide it? We are going to divide it in two phases. Phase 1 would be of initial 150 days. 150 days means so from today onwards till 31st December, roughly around 150 days we are having. And then we will take phase 2, which will be January or February. Whichever the time, like your examination might be on 5th, 6th Feb or 13th, 14th Feb or 21st or 22nd Feb. So in whichever the date your examination would be. So January month you will be having, in Feb month as well, some days you will be having. So in that manner, we are going to divide our plan. Phase 1 and phase 2. Okay. So let's get started. First discuss the phase 1 and let's discuss the first 60 days. In first 60 days, our targeted subject would be EDC, Digital Electronics and Engineering Mathematics. Now these 60 days will be divided into two parts. First 30 days and next 30 days. So in the first 30 days, you will be completing EDC with all the PYQs and half of the engineering mathematics with the PYQs. Now sir, which PYQs? So at least like in EDC only EC branches PYQ will be available, no? Because it is the core subject of EC. EDC is not asked in electrical or instrumentation. So it is the core subject of EC. So only EC PYQs you will be getting. So you should solve the EC PYQ. Sir, in mathematics, at least EC PYQs I will be solving. At least. This is the list. If time permits, then you can solve the PYQs of electrical. After that, instrumentation. And after that, priority would be CS. Then mechanical, civil, whatever you want to solve. Okay. Sir, from where to solve the PYQs? Everything I will answer. Have some patience. At least EC PYQs I will be solving. If time permits, these branches PYQs also I will solve. Civil, mechanical, production engineering, chemical, these PYQs also I can solve if time permits. But at least EC PYQ I will be solving. In EDC, I will only get the EC PYQs only. Okay. So this is the scenario for first 30 days. Important point, you cannot make your notes now. Okay. You cannot make a handwritten notes. You should go with the printable notes. So from wherever you are studying, if you are studying from PrepFusion or from whichever the coaching institute you are studying, they will be surely giving you some notes. So get the printout of those notes. Okay. At PrepFusion, we also give the notes. So get the printout of those notes and study from the printable notes only. Okay. Like this. These are the printable notes. These kind of notes we give to our PrepFusion students. So we give the PDF, they can get the printout. Okay, so everything is neatly written, although on the screen you will not be able to see. Right? Are you able to see it? These are the notes of EMFT. So they are neatly written. So these kind of notes will be available. You get the printout and you study from that. How to study with printable PDF, how to study with printable notes, for that as well I have made a video. So it's not that sir, notes we are having, the lecture is there, so I will be just watching the lectures, something like this. No, this is how you should not be studying. I have already made a video. You will be studying with the rough notebook, notes and a pen. Your pen would be always working. How you will study, for that I have already made a video. How to study with printable notes, how to study with the printable PDF PrepFusion, you will get that video, you can watch it. Understandable? So after this particular video, you can watch all the videos which I am recommending. Is that understandable to you? Okay. So in first 30 days, this is what we should target. Completing the video lectures, then PYQs, completing half of the engineering mathematics. Complete engineering mathematics will not be completed in 30 days. Half of the engineering mathematics along with the PYQs. I would say give roughly around 3 to 4 hours to this subject and 3 to 4 hours to this subject. This could be your plan. Understandable? And similarly here as well, in the next 30 days, 3 to 4 hours to this subject and 3 to 4 hours to this subject. And in that manner, in 60 days, you will be able to complete EDC, digital and engineering mathematics with as many PYQs as you can solve. Look, surely you will not be able to solve 100% of the PYQs. It is very difficult. Even those guys who are preparing for one year or 1.5 years, no, they will also be not able to solve all the PYQs. It is very difficult because in digital you will be having the PYQs of EC as well, you will be having the PYQs of electrical as well, and you will be having the PYQs of instrumentation as well, because this subject is common in EC, electrical and instrumentation. So at least your own branch PYQ you need to solve. After that, when you are done with EC, you can go with electrical, you can go with instrumentation as well. But at least your own branch PYQ you need to solve. So all the PYQs you will not be done with that. Okay, some PYQs will be left. So sir, when I will be solving it, that also I will tell you. Have some patience. So is that clear to you? Now first of all, let's talk about that, sir, how I can cover. So EDC is completely available from our side on YouTube. Complete full course of EDC is completely available from our side on YouTube. You can watch the content and you can see the quality of the content as well. That what kind of quality content PrepFusion is providing. Complete course is available. You can start your preparation and you can see the quality of the content, and you can see that along with that we have given the printable notes as well. Same goes with the engineering mathematics as well. Printable notes are also available. So you start studying and you see what kind of quality that we have provided. Okay. Like for engineering mathematics, subject wise notes I have given. This course is currently running actually. Last chapter is left, which is differential equation, which I will be uploading within this week, or like it may take 2-3 days of the next week as well. So within next 10 days it will be completed. So all the notes, everything will be available. Along with that, chapter wise notes also I have given. Like first chapter is linear algebra. So that linear algebra notes is already uploaded in our Telegram group. You can go to the description box. There will be a link of Telegram group. You can join there. So in the Telegram group, notes of linear algebra, you simply need to go to the file section and type there linear algebra notes. Or you can go to our website as well. There also notes are uploaded. So notes and everything you can find out on your own. Okay. Simply type there linear algebra printable notes. You will get the printable notes. EDC printable notes. You will get the printable notes. Or you type electronic devices printable notes. So you will get those notes. You will get those documents. You can download them, you can get the printout, and you can start studying. This is how you need to start preparing for GATE examination. Okay, so both of the courses are completely fully available for free on PrepFusion. Is that clear or not? So you can start from here and you will get to know that at least for next 30 days, you will be getting to know that can I prepare for GATE examination, or are they teaching in an efficient manner or in a good manner or not. So everything you will be able to understand. Is that clear or not? Completely clear, right? And sir, what about for digital electronics? Digital electronics is completely not available. Okay, it is completely not available on YouTube. Some part of there is in the paid course. Look, I cannot provide everything for free on YouTube. No, if I provide everything for free on YouTube, then what I will be earning? I need to earn as well. So everything is not available. But sir, whichever the part that you did not cover on YouTube, whichever the part that is there in your paid course, which is not covered on YouTube, sir, how will I cover that part? So for that as well, in this playlist only, I have made a video that how to study YouTube, how to study digital electronics from YouTube for free. So whichever the part that I did not cover, how you will cover that particular part, that video also is there in this particular playlist. Understandable? So this is how you can study. Now sir, how to solve the PYQs? So complete free PYQ website is there from our end. pyq.prepfusion.in. This you need to type pyq.prepfusion.in. You will get this particular website. Here all the PYQs are available. Whatever the PYQs you need, network, analog, digital, control, signal system, mathematics, aptitude, EDC, communication, EMFT, all the PYQs, everything is available on this particular website. Is that understandable to you or not? Complete PDF is there, complete solutions are there, everything is there. 3 days back only we launched this website. In the launch video, I have told all the features and everything for this particular website. Understandable? Completely clear? Okay. Now, let's talk about next 40 days. First 50 days, this is our target. This is our target. Let's talk about next 40 days. In next 40 days, what we are supposed to do. So we will be studying 2 subjects, signal systems and network analysis. Understandable? These 2 subjects we will be studying. We will try to cover both of the subjects with as many PYQs as we can solve. Look, we will not be able to do all the PYQs. Some PYQs will be left. This subject is also common in EC electrical instrumentation. So here also there will be a lot of PYQs, and same goes for this particular subject as well. Right? So all the PYQs we will not be able to solve. As many PYQs as we can solve, that we will try to do along with the lecture content as well. Understandable? Now sir, the previous subject that I have studied, which is EDC, digital electronics and engineering mathematics. So these subjects I have studied. If you are comfortable with these subjects, no, if you have solved more than enough PYQs, you feel like that, sir, yes, I have solved more than enough PYQs, then you will get started with the test series of these subjects. Okay, test series of these subjects, EDC, digital electronics and engineering mathematics. When you feel like that, sir, more than enough PYQs I have solved. Now it might happen that some PYQs of these subjects are remaining. In 50 days, sir, I covered the complete lectures, Some PYQs I solved, sir, but some PYQs are still left. Some PYQs are still left. So in this window, what you will be doing, you will be revising the previous subject, you will be solving the PYQs. When you feel that I am comfortable, whenever the comfort comes, whenever the comfort is into the action, then what you will do, you will get started with the test series. You need to see the exam temperament, you need to solve the question with the time constraint as well. Now sir, how to solve the PYQs? This query could also be there, no? How to solve the PYQs? Same thing, go to YouTube, type how to solve PYQs, PrepFusion, you will get the video. Okay. How to solve test series, sir? Go to YouTube, type test series queries, PrepFusion, you will get a video. So there as well, you will get complete guidance of solving test series as well. Understandable? So you need to get started with the test series of the previous completed subject whenever you are comfortable. Understandable? And if the PYQs are remaining of the previous subject, then you will solve the PYQs of the remaining subjects as well. So this should be the plan of next 40 days. Now it feels like that in 40 days, sir, I have to do a lot of things. Signal system, network analysis, get test series, PYQs. I know it could be a lot of things. Along with that, sir, there will be some festival as well, like Diwali and all. So sir, what do I do? So that's why I have kept a big window as well. Okay. This is about test series. You can buy our test series. If you feel like that, sir, I need to write down quality test, I need to solve some tough questions, then you can buy our test series. Sir, from where to write down the test series? So from here you can write down the test series. It is not freely available, it is paid. Okay, the test series is paid. The promo code is PREP. You can apply this promo code and you can get some discount, but it is paid test series. It is not freely available. Okay. Now in the last 50 days, what we need to do? So in the last 50 days, you would see that, sir, not much of content you have kept. General aptitude, it is straightforward. Control system is also not a very tough subject, right? So in the last 50 days, I have kept less pressure only because you can cover the backlog. If there is some backlog left, look, let me tell you, 90% of the students will not be able to complete this. Okay, they will be having some backlog. Some guys would be saying, sir, some part of signal system is left, some part of network analysis is left, sir, some PYQs are left. So whatever that is left, this window is not very difficult. Control system, general aptitude, diode circuits, they are not very difficult. They are less content only. You can cover it in less time. Along with that, you will have good enough time for backlogs as well. And the same process would go on. Whenever you are comfortable, you can write down the test series of the previous subject. If PYQs are left, you can solve the PYQs of the previous subject as well. Is that plan clear? 60 days, 40 days, and then 50 days. Everything is completely clear. This is the plan. Now, sir, day wise, sir, on this day, I will study this thing, that thing. That you will decide when you wake up. At the time you wake up, your first thing should be that what I should do today, what I should study today. 2 subjects I will take up, sir, 1 subject, 1 video I need to watch, other subject, other video I need to watch. Sir, I need to solve these many PYQs. This plan you will make and you will proceed in that. So as per your convenience, you will make your own plan. Understandable or not? Okay. So here there is less content only that we will be able to cover in an efficient way. Now, sir, we are left with some content, no? We do not do communication system. We do not do EMFT. And sir, analog electronics only we have covered diode circuits. So what we will do? So in the January, February month, we will be studying important portion of these subjects. Now, sir, which topics are important? Sir, who will teach it? Leave it on me. Okay, no matter from whichever the institute you are studying from, leave it on me. This particular thing will be on me. Some important portion of communication, EMFT, analog, I will teach. Look, these subjects will be coming for roughly around 30 marks. All these 3 combined would be coming for roughly around 30 marks. Not more than that. Out of these 30, one thing I can guarantee, that 10 marks of content I will teach you. And that 10 marks, from this 10 marks of content, this is the worst case I am telling, worst case. Worst case, 10 marks of content I will teach you, and from those 10 marks, any day you will be able to get 8 marks. Any day. Okay. These subjects will be coming for 30 marks. Worst case, you will be able to get 8 marks. In the Jan-Feb month, I will be teaching you that. In January, February month, what else we will be doing, sir? We will be revising the previous subjects. We will be writing down their test series as well. And from the mid of January, we will start the full length test as well. Look, a lot of people will start the full length test in December as well. Some people will start in November as well. But don't worry, even if you start from mid of January, it is absolutely fine. And some people will say that, sir, in January we should not be learning anything new. That is absolutely baseless. You can always learn anything new. Okay, absolutely baseless that January should be given only to test series or anything like that. It should be given to test series and revision only if you are not revising previously. Like what people do is that they will complete the syllabus. They will not even revise. They will not even solve the PYQs. They don't have any plan. Only they are watching the videos, making the notes. That's it. No PYQs are solved. No test series is written. No revision is done. Sir, you did not talk about revision. Revision you are doing, no. Like when you are solving the PYQs of previous subjects, are you revising the previous subject? Absolutely. When you are writing the test series of previous subject, are you revising the previous subject? Absolutely. But what people do is that till November, they will cover the full syllabus. Then in December, they will go to the test series. They will start revising. But this is something that we are not doing. When we are in the month of January, we can say that, sir, 7 subjects we have covered in a good way. And after those 7 subjects, sir, these 7 subjects will be coming for roughly around 70 marks. Sir, at least 70% I will be able to score. Out of those 70%. What will be the 70% of 70? That will be 49 marks. So, sir, 49 marks from these 7 subjects, sir, I can get. This is the confidence that I am having. Sir, 70 marks of content I have covered. From that 70 marks of content, I can try getting 70% marks. That means that will be roughly around 49 marks. So, roughly around 49 marks, sir, I will be able to score. And 49 plus 8, roughly around 55 marks you can target. Look, this is a very crude calculation. But in EC, 55 marks, that means your job is done. You will be able to do well. In EC, 55 marks means your job would be done. So yes, again, it is a very crude calculation, but I am just telling that if you plan in this way, 7 to 8 hours efficient study for next 6 months, then surely it is achievable. For sure it is achievable. It is not any unrealistic target that 75 marks or 65 marks or 80 marks. No. Okay. I prepared for a very long time. I prepared for roughly around 13 to 14 months. I ended up getting 68 marks. Okay, so getting 75 marks, 70 marks, these will look good on thumbnail. But it is not reality. Reality is this. And if we go towards reality, then yes, we can do well. But if you target this particular thing, no, it is highly unrealistic. Even for that guy who is preparing for 18 months, no, for that guy as well, it is highly unrealistic. Okay, so put your target here, not here. And this target could be achieved 6 months, efficient preparation, 7 to 8 hours daily. Is that understandable or not? Yes, sir, completely understandable. And this is how we will proceed. From mid of January, we will write down the full length test and we will target writing down 5 full length good mock test. And let's see how it goes. Is that clear or not? So this is the preparation plan that I have given. Again, it is looking good on paper, but you need to start putting up the effort. Once you are done watching this video, after that you start putting up the effort. I will talk about my courses now. If you want to prepare in the best possible way with the best possible course, then you can study from here. Why I am saying best possible course? You can ask the people out there, or you can yourself see the content. Okay, you start studying. You are going to start studying EDC. You are going to start studying mathematics. No, watch these content. Start from the first video. Watch one lecture. Here. Okay, so as of now there is huge discount on our courses. There are 2 kind of courses: Pathfinder's batch, Titan's batch. So what you can do is that you can go to YouTube and type GATE 2027 batch orientation. GATE 2027 batch orientation PrepFusion batch orientation. Then you will get detailed video. Here in brief I am telling what all things we provide. We will give you complete recorded video lectures. Along with that there will be personalized doubt solving as well. What do we mean by doubt solving? This is the meaning of doubt solving. That this is our Titans batch group. Here people will post the doubt and you can see my voice note. This kind of voice note I give, and this is how I clear the doubt. Okay. So in voice note, if some text is required, then with the text as well, I can solve your doubt. So this kind of doubt solving we give. Then one-to-one guidance also you will be getting. So bi-weekly session. This session happen after every 14 days. So after every 14 days, on every Sunday, what we will do is that we will come live on Google Meet. You will also be there. So you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Okay. So whichever the queries that you are having, you can ask that particular query. And usually what really happens is that after every 14 days, people will come and they will talk about their progress. That, sir, this much I have studied. Now, sir, next what I need to do. So if they are facing some problem, that problem also they can discuss. So this kind of a one-to-one guidance also we provide. It will be done with me and Anish sir. Okay. And other students will also be sharing their personal issues. Not personal issues, but the issues regarding their preparation. Okay. So basically there is an option called raise hand. No. In Google Meet, you would know that there is an option called raise hand. So all the students will join. Then all of them will be raising the hand. And as in the queue, if your turn is coming up, you will unmute and you will speak. Then once you are done, the next guy will unmute, he will speak. Then next guy will unmute, he will speak. And in that manner, the process would go. Understandable? So this is our bi-weekly meeting. Along with that, we give the complete printable notes as well, these kind of notes. And if someone is studying from PC, then in the black background as well, we will give the notes, like this black background. This background is black, no? So in the black background as well, you will get the slides. So if someone is studying from PC or some tablet or some pen tab or whatever the device he is having, if he is studying from some electronic device, then he can study from there as well with the black background. Okay. Along with that, we will give you the complete access to this test series as well. Full test series will be given, right? Full test series would be given. And then you will get the revision videos and short notes as well. Revision X short notes will be there. Some revision videos will also be there. And this validity of this course will be till 30th of June. Why is that so? Because your MTech admission will be done by this date, right? Your MTech admission will be done by this date. Say yes or no. Once your GATE examination is done, after that there is a long journey. Okay, GATE examination result will be coming in March. The result will be coming in March. But after March as well, there is a long journey ahead. There will be counseling, there will be some interviews you need to appear. If you are going for MSR interviews, then there will be interviews. So a lot of things would be there. So for that as well, you would need me. So I will be there. Okay. For interview prep, for post-GATE guidance, everything will be available from our side. Is that understandable or not? Okay. So these are the features of our Titans batch. And along with that, we are having Pathfinders batch as well. In Pathfinders batch, this one-to-one mentorship is not available. This post-GATE guidance is not available. This test series is not available. Okay. In Titans, in Pathfinders batch, these three things are not available. Along with that, the access will be also till 31st March only. Here the access is till 30th of June. Okay. The offer is valid. Let's keep it valid till tomorrow 11:59 p.m. Okay. I will keep it valid till tomorrow 11:59 p.m. Not tonight. Tomorrow 11:59 p.m. So what you can do is that today you can watch this video. No, you can watch these videos and you can understand that what kind of content we are providing. Right. Today what you do is that, sir, I don't know how you will be teaching. I'm not sure whether I should go with PrepFusion or not, because there are a lot of goated coaching institutes, right? Great coaching institute, goat coaching institutes. So big companies are there, sir. Why should we go with PrepFusion? So watch this content. Watch this content. You would have surely seen mathematics somewhere else. You would have surely seen EDC somewhere. So watch here. Then you would realize that why you should come here, right? So a lot of content is available on YouTube. You see it on your own, and then you think that whether you want to come to this course or not. Otherwise, you can study from YouTube, or you can study from some other platform as well. Support from my side will always be there. Whatever the guidance and everything you need from my side, that will be there. Some free content on YouTube will also be there from my side. Understandable? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. That's it about EC people. Now we will be talking about electrical guys, but after a break. I will take a break, drink some water, and then I will come back. We will talk about GATE 2027 electrical roadmap. This also we will be dividing in two phases. Yeah, hi everyone. So now let's talk about GATE electrical roadmap for 2027. So we will be dividing this plan in two phases. Phase 1 would be the next 160 days starting from today till 10th of January. Starting from today till 10th of January, roughly around 160 days we are having. So this will be the phase 1, and after that, whichever the time is left in January, February month, that time. Okay. From today till 10th of January, this will be the phase 1. Then phase 2, whatever the time that is left in January, February. Your examination could be on first weekend, second weekend, or third weekend, that we don't know. So in whichever the weekend your examination is taking place, till that time, how you will prepare for GATE examination, that we are going to discuss. So let's talk about phase 1. So initially we will be talking about initial 60 days. So in the initial 60 days, we will be targeting 3 subjects: signals and systems, network analysis, and engineering mathematics. Now we will break it into 2 parts. First 40 days and then next 20 days. In the first 40 days, what I will be doing, I will be completing the full signals and systems with the PYQs, as many PYQs as I can solve. As many PYQs as I can solve. Look, signal system is common in EC, electrical, and instrumentation. In all 3 branches, it is common. So at least you should solve the PYQs of your own branch. At least you should solve the PYQs of electrical. Understandable? Now it might happen that you are not getting enough time, so you will not be able to solve the PYQs of EC. You will not be able to solve the PYQs of instrumentation, which is fine. Okay, we can solve it later on as a revision, but this much I will try. that I will be able to solve the PYQs of electrical at least. In the engineering mathematics, it is common for EC, electrical, instrumentation, civil, mechanical, CSE, right? And then chemical, production engineering. For a lot of branches, it is common, right? So your priority should be that at least I am able to solve the PYQs of my own branch. After electrical, you will give priority to EC, then instrumentation, then CSE, then whichever the branch you want to solve. Is that clear to you? So we will try to solve the PYQs, as many PYQs as we can. So in the first 40 days, your target would be that, sir, I am done with complete signal system and I am done with 60% part, or 2/3 part means it would be 66.67. So roughly around 60% of engineering mathematics is also done. That means, sir, at least two to three chapters of engineering mathematics is also done. This is what I will be targeting in the first 40 days. Sir, from where to cover? Complete engineering mathematics is currently running on YouTube. It will be completely available. You can cover from here. Signal system is not completely available on YouTube. It is not completely available, but till Fourier transform, everything is available. First 4 chapters are completely available. After that, a lot of part of Laplace transform is also available. Jet transform is not available on YouTube. So some part is not available. So sir, how to cover that part? So in this video only, in this playlist, in this video only, how to prepare signal system for gate, EC, electrical instrumentation, I have given a complete roadmap how you can cover the part which is not available on YouTube. Okay, the part which is available on YouTube you can cover from me. Which is not available on YouTube, because that is there in my paid course. I cannot provide everything for free. So from where you can cover that particular part, that also I have given in this particular video. Complete plan I have given. Is that understandable or not? Okay. So from here you can cover. Then sir, in the next 20 days, what I will do? I will try to cover network analysis with the PYQs, and whatever the part of engineering mathematics is left, that part also I will try to cover in the next 20 days. So this will be the plan for 60 days. Signal system, network analysis, engineering mathematics, complete video lectures with as many PYQs as I can solve. Secondly, you cannot make your own notes. Notes you cannot make. You need to study with the printable notes. Sir, what is this printable notes? So the coaching institute that you are studying from, they might be giving you this printable notes. Okay, they would be giving you these printable notes. They will give you the soft copy. Okay, they will give you the PDF. So what you can do is that you can get the printout. So everything is neatly written here. You don't need to write down on your own. But sir, will I be only watching the video like this? No, this is how you will not be watching the video. There is a way of studying with the printable notes. So what you need to do is that you need to go to YouTube. After watching this video, you need to go to YouTube and type how to study with the printable notes PrepFusion. What you will type? How to study with the printable notes PrepFusion. You will get a video. You can watch that video. Now sir, how to solve the PYQs? So similar thing, how to solve PYQs, PrepFusion you need to type. You will get a video. Is that clear to you or not? Okay. So sir, from where to solve the PYQs? So for PYQs, we are having a website. Along with that, one more information, that complete network analysis is also available for free on YouTube from our side. Network analysis is there. So when you start network analysis, you can cover from here. Now sir, from where to solve the PYQs? You need to go to YouTube and type pyq.prepfusion.in. pyq.prepfusion.in. This you need to type. This website will appear. Here all the PYQs are available. Whether it is for EC, electrical instrumentation, network, analog, digital, for all the subjects, all the PYQs are available. Okay. So you simply need to go to this website and you will get the PYQs. Understandable? All the PDFs, everything completely available for free. You can download as well, whatever you want to do. 2 days back only we have launched the website. So you can go to the launch video as well. In the live section, you can go to YouTube live section. There you will see the launch video. Understandable? All good? So this is from where you can solve the PYQs. Now what about next 50 days? In next 50 days, our targeted subject would be 2 subjects, which will be electrical machines and power electronics. Very, very important for you guys. These 2 subjects will be coming for more than 20 marks in your examination. For sure, more than 20 marks. Very, very, very important. Electrical machines and power electronics. We will try to cover all the video lectures and as many PYQs as we can solve. Understandable? Now, previously what we are done with? We are done with signals and systems, network analysis and engineering mathematics. Sir, some PYQs I was able to solve, some PYQs would be remaining. All the PYQs I was not able to solve, sir. I was having only 60 days. I was able to complete the video lectures. Some PYQs I was able to solve. Some PYQs are remaining. So in this particular window, in these 50 days, you will be solving the PYQs of the previous subject. Once you feel like that, sir, yes, I have solved more than enough PYQs. Now I am comfortable in these subjects: signal system, network analysis, and engineering mathematics. Sir, I am comfortable in these subjects. Now, sir, I will go to the test series, because you need to build up the practice as well. You need to solve questions with a time constraint as well. When you solve the PYQs, you never solve it with time constraint. Okay, when you watch the video how to solve the PYQs, in that video I have given the complete plan that how you should solve a particular PYQ that has appeared in your gate examination. Okay, so there you would see that I will be saying that you should not be solving it with a time constraint, but when you go to the test series, you build up the habit of solving the question with a time constraint. Understandable? So yes, we will get started with the test series when we feel like that we are comfortable with these three subjects. So along with that, when we are solving the PYQs, we will revise the notes as well. Your revision will be done along with that only. Okay, it's not that you can keep the revision for November, December, nothing like that. 60 days I have studied these subjects. Next 50 days I am studying these two subjects. I am revising the previous subject. I am solving the PYQs, and when I am comfortable with the PYQs, I am writing that test series. This is how I will proceed in my preparation. Understandable? So now electrical machines, power electronics would be done with maximum PYQs. Not all the PYQs, with the maximum PYQs. Now in the next, electrical machines is completely available from the side of Anish sir on YouTube. You can study from here. Electrical machines you can study from this particular playlist. Now next, last 50 days I have kept power system analysis, control systems, and general aptitude. You will cover these subjects. If some PYQs of the previous subject is remaining, those PYQs you will solve. You will revise the subject, and when you feel like that, sir, I am comfortable with the subject, what you will do? You will write down the test series. Okay. Is that understandable to you? You can purchase our test series. You can purchase test series of some other coaching institute as well. If you want to solve quality problems, if you want to solve some tough level of problems, then our test series would be the best possible suit for you. Okay, you can ask some guys, whatever the you can ask some aspirants in some Telegram group or anywhere that which test series you should go with. So one test series you should solely go with PrepFusion. Other test series, one more coaching institute test series you can take. So you should start solving that test series as well. Is that clear to you? Okay. So solve the PYQs of the previous subject. If it is remaining, when you feel like that, sir, I am comfortable with the subject, you start solving the test series and then cover these three. And in the same time, you will cover these three subjects as well: power system, control system, and general aptitude. Is that understandable to you? Okay. So this is the plan of our 160 days. Okay. This is the plan of our 160 days. Now, sir, whichever the time that is left, sir, here I have left some major subject. Which major subject? Sir, I have left analog electronics, sir, it is very major. Digital electronics, measurements, sir, these subjects I have left. Along with that, EMFT also I have left. Let me tell you one thing, these three subjects combined, they will be maximum, they will be coming for 12 marks for you. 12 to 13 marks maximum. But sir, someone like some of my batchmates said that analog is very important, digital is very important. That is important for EC. In EC and instrumentation, analog plus digital would be coming for 20 marks. But for you guys, 12, 13 is the highest. I'm telling you that analog, digital, and measurement combined, it will be coming for 10 marks maximum. Analog, digital, and measurement. And this EMFT, actually, this is important nowadays. What I have seen is that in electrical, from EMFT, good enough questions are coming. Sometimes 6 to 7 marks of questions are also coming. So we cannot ignore EMFT. So from some crash course, it is already a small chapter. Okay, I should not say chapter, it is a subject only. So it is already a small subject. You can cover it from some crash courses and everything. Okay, so we will cover it. Formula based, you can cover it. It is your class 12th JE only. Okay, so formula based you can cover it, but we cannot skip it. What about these three subjects, sir? Analog, digital, and measurements. Some part of these three subjects we can do. Whichever the part that is important. Sir, who will bring the content for that? I will bring, don't worry. For these subjects, sir, who will bring the content? I will bring, don't worry. Understandable? But this we will cover from some crash course, and these three topics also we will cover. Some important part we will cover. Understandable? Along with that, we will be revising the previous subject as well. We will be writing down the test series of the previous subject as well in the given time. And from the mid of January, we will start the full length test. From the mid of January. It is not necessary to write down the full length test from December or November. From mid of January, in a good manner, we will start the full length test. Don't worry about it. Okay? And then we will try writing at least 5 full length mock. So this is how we need to proceed in the preparation. In the conclusion, starting, we will be doing with signals, network, mathematics. First, we will take signals and mathematics. Then we will move to network and mathematics. After that, we will be moving to our electrical machines and power electronics, which are core subjects of our core subject of electrical, which are very important. We will keep on solving the PYQs of the previous subject. Whenever we are comfortable, we will start writing the test series. Along with that, whichever the subject that is completed, for them as well we will solve the PYQs. We will not be done with all the PYQs. So in the next 50 days, when we are studying, we will solve the PYQs of the previous subject. We will learn new subject and we will solve the PYQs as well. And along with that, we will be solving the test series. So this is how our test series and our revision is also going on. In the end, whichever the subject that is left, we will cover the important topics from them. Okay. Also, we will write down the test series, and from the mid of January, we will start writing the full length test, and we will try writing 5 full length mock. This is how we will proceed in our preparation. Is that understandable to you? If you want to enroll with us, you can enroll in our courses. The promo code is PREP. If you want to know more about our batches, then what you can do is that you can go back to the video of EC. Okay, you can go back to the video of EC. Here I have explained everything about our batches, that what all things we provide, one-to-one mentorship, personalized doubt solving, what kind of doubt solving is there, everything I have told. So you can go back to the video and there you can see that what all features we are providing, this kind of doubt solving we provide, this kind of one-to-one support we provide. So all these things we provide. Okay, so everything I have told in the previous part of EC. So here you can go back to the video and you can watch this part. If you want to enroll with us, you can study with us. If you want to study from somewhere else, then you can study from somewhere else as well. Okay, so yeah, this is the complete plan in roughly around 50 minutes for both EC electrical. All the questions, most of the questions I have already answered. Now if you are having any kind of question that sir, how to do the revision, simply go to YouTube and type how to do revision PrepFusion. Okay, if you are having the question like sir, how to solve the test series, go to YouTube, test series queries PrepFusion, you will get a video. So for every general query I have already made a video. Sir, how to be distraction free, how to be efficient, video will be there. So for all these particular queries, I have already made a video. Is that understandable to you? Okay then. Yeah, I hope this video will be helpful. And from this video, at least I would expect 30 people will be doing well in the GATE examination. 30 people. Because a lot of people will be watching this video. I am telling you roughly around 5,000 views will come. Roughly around 5,000 people will be watching the video. But out of those 5,000, only 50 people will be able to work on this and they will be able to do well in GATE examination. Okay, I cannot say what rank they would be getting, but something good they will be getting out of GATE 2027 attempt. Only 1% of the views. Only 1%. From 5,000, only 50 people. Are you one of those 50 people or not? That is up to you. Okay, yeah. Thank you very much. Happy learning.